Y'all, today we got some Chinese food from Green Tea. I got Kung Pao chicken, white rice with mixed vegetables. I also got a side of scallion pancakes and crab rangoon. I'm trying to get straight to this Kung Pao chicken. Let's see what they're working with. Hold on now. I'm speaking. Hold on. It got peppers, a nice taste of garlic. You can definitely see the chili flakes. It got chunks of celery. I'm gonna get that right there at 8.3. It's not super spicy like how I was expecting it to be. Those vegetables are steamed to perfection. Let's see what these scallion pancakes in on. These don't really got that oomph to it. Let's dip it in that soy sauce. Now that's some soy sauce. Dang. Hold on now. Crab rangoons. The scallion pancakes and the crab rangoon, they ain't really here for real. Let me know what food y'all want to see next. I'm thinking some Filipino food. That's down buffing. I love y'all. See y'all later. Stay blessed.